For jigging category, going home with 20,000 pesos. Spotted grouper or sono, locally known, weighing 4.450 kilos. Little background of this landed fish. So this guy or this angler was on his way back to the spot. Their boat broke down. He had to drop while the boatman was fixing his boat, and he landed this fish while the boat was broken down and being fixed. Winner, 20,000 pesos, Camilo Soronio.
Sa aming dating sa subo.